My name is Lady Julio Espina Tovar. I'm a student of English Language Teaching Program at Universidad de la Amazonia. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Colombia. To start, a camp should choose me as a camp counselor because I am social person and a working person, and also I consider that I have positive attitude, and also I have all of the necessary skills to get this opportunity. Additionally, I feel that I love to work as best I can because I'm a healthy person. I think that I love to interact with others, especially native English people, because I have a big or important reason or motivation, that is to improve my oral English level. Besides, I'm a responsible and respectful person. Finally, I'm sure that you will not regret choosing me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.